Learning path for AI and machine learning. If you're interested in pursuing a career in artificial intelligence, AI, or machine learning, ML, here's a structured learning path to guide you. 1. Understand the basics mathematics foundation, linear algebra, vectors, matrices, and tensor operations. Probability and statistics, concepts like Bayes' theorem, distributions, hypothesis testing. Calculus, gradients, derivatives, and optimization techniques. Discrete mathematics, graph theory, and logic. Programming skills. Learn Python, essential for AI and ML development. Familiarize yourself with ML-focused libraries like NumPy for numerical computations, Pandas for data manipulation and analysis, Matplotlib, C-Born for data visualization. 2. Core machine learning concepts. Data preprocessing. Learn data cleaning, normalization, and handling missing data. Explore datasets, Kaggle, UCI Machine Learning Repository for practice. Supervised. Learning linear. Regression. Logistic regression. Decision trees. Random forests. Practice with small projects like predicting house prices or sentiment analysis. Unsupervised learning clustering, K-means DBSCAN, and dimensionality. Reduction, PCA-TSNE. Reinforcement learning. Understand the basics of agents, rewards, and environments. Model evaluation. Learn techniques like cross-validation, confusion matrix, and ROC curves. 3. Deep learning neural networks. Understand how neural networks work, including forward and backward propagation. Deep learning frameworks. Master frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Keras. Specific architectures CNNs, convolutional neural networks. Image recognition and processing. RNNs, LSTMs, recurrent neural networks. Sequence data like text and time series. Transformers, advanced architectures like GPT and BERT. Projects image classification, object detection, sentiment analysis, or chatbots. 4. Specialized areas in AI natural language processing, NLP. Tokenization, embeddings, sentiment analysis. Libraries, SPACY, Hugging Face Transformers. Computer vision, object detection. Face recognition. Generative adversarial networks, GANs. Reinforcement learning explore tools like OpenAI Gym for building and testing reinforcement learning models. Generative models learn about GANs and variational autoencoders, VAEs. 5. Software engineering practices version control. Use Git for managing code. Data engineering. Understand ETL, extract, transform, load, pipelines. Deployment. Learn to deploy models using Flask, FastAPI, or cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, and Azure. 6. Cloud and big data. Learn cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or GCP for deploying and scaling ML models. Understand big data tools like Apache Spark or Hadoop for handling large datasets. 7. Build a portfolio work on real-world projects, such as image classifiers, chatbots, fraud detection systems, recommendation engines. Publish your work on GitHub or build a personal portfolio website. 8. Certifications. Google Machine Learning Professional Certificate, AWS Machine Learning Specialty, Microsoft Azure AI Engineer, Coursera's Deep Learning Specialization by Andrew Ng. 9. Stay updated, read research papers and blogs, e.g. Archive, towards data science. Follow AI conferences, e.g. NeurIPS, CVPR, ICML. Join communities like Kaggle, Stack Overflow, and AI ML forums. 10. Start with internships or entry-level roles. Apply for internships or junior roles to gain real-world experience. Work on collaborative projects to understand team dynamics. By following this learning path and staying consistent, you'll be well prepared for a successful career in AI or machine learning.